Welcome to this video. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Don Andres and I'm here to help you traders to become a profitable trader. So in this video, we will be talking about how to understand the concept of how the banks are traded, right? Because so many times people go into trade and they feel it's as if somebody's out there watching them. Somebody's out there just watching them because they can't understand why they go into a trade and immediately the trade goes against them, right? So they feel like, is somebody watching me? I can't understand because the moment I go into a trade, it's like somebody's watching me, the trade would just go against me. So I would like to discuss that in this trade, in this video, so that you guys can learn something from that. So let's look at this here. Looking at this here, we can say that we have a chat pattern, right? Because in trading, we have been taught so many things, from free ebooks, downloads, broker, education and stuff like that. Yeah, but the fact is, I'll tell you the truth, most of those free download, free ebooks, they're not helping a lot because the brokers are out there to make money. They make money even when you make money or lose money. I mean, what I mean is, if you lose money in trade, they still make money. If you win money, they still make money. Why? Because they have brokerage fee, which is commission. So each time you go into a trade, they make money, right? So each time you go in and go out, they make money. That's simple. So it's like lottery, it's like casino. It's easy that way. They make money always, right? If there's a lottery for 100 people and 100 people sign up with €1, that's 100 euros. And maybe there's first, second, third prize, third, 1, 2, 3, first and second and third prize. It's 50 euros in total. At the end of the day, if the lottery pay out the 50 euros to the first, second, third person, they still have 50 euros left, which is profit for them. So lotteries never lose. Casinos never lose. The brokers never lose. So mind you, you have to be intelligent. You need to know how to trade like the banks, because the banks and the big corporations and the fund managers, they understand how to trade. And that is why they are called the top 5%, right? The top 5% are the people enjoying, because they call your money dumb money. Why? Because so many traders out there who are amateur traders, who are beginners in trading, they don't know what they're doing. They call them amateur dumb money. Why? They go into the market and make some cool money out of dumb money. So if you don't want your money to become dumb money, you have to do something about that. You have to learn more and know how they trade and do it like them, and you will start seeing profit in your trades. Normally, professional traders do have losses too, but the point is they have more wins than their losses. So if you want your losses to be really minimum, and you want your wins to be like maximum, then you need to know the concept and the secrets and the tips behind the top 5%, which are the fund managers, the banks, the big corporations. So in this chat here, I'll be showing you some little concept about how to trade like the banks. Now, what you have been taught before, right now, it's called a pre-knowledge, like the knowledge you had before. You just have to forget everything, right? Because if not, you might feel, what am I saying? The truth is, they teach you something which is like 50-50. It's not enough to make you survive in the market. It's like you making money today and you lose it today, or you lose it the next day. And you make money, you lose it. You win, you lose. And it's difficult to survive like that. Some people manage to survive, but with just little profit, which doesn't make sense. So if you really want to make money, or you want to start making good profit, you need to learn how to do that. If you have any strategy that is working for you, Fibonacci, trend line, pivot point, anything that is working for you, price action, Just stick to that. You don't need to change. You don't even need to maybe watch or listen to this video. But if you don't really have something out there that is working for you, then you want to pay attention critically here. And if you care to know more, you can click even on the link below after watching this video to learn more. So now let's say you learn from the books, from the free downloads, that we have something called breakout, we have something called chat patterns and stuff like that, right? So here, let's say we have a chat pattern called flag. So here we have, you can see that, right? We have a flag. So let's see if we can draw this flag here. The drawing. So we have a flag here, right? So here we have a flag, right? So if we can see, this is a breakout, right, from the flag. And you have been taught this in eBooks, free downloads, broker's knowledge, free knowledge. So what happened? You just want to buy from that point, right? You want to go in and say, yeah, I want to place a buy and make some money from this trade because there's a breakout, and I learned that when there's a breakout, I can make money from the market, right? So you place a buy here, and then you're expecting to take some profit before this high, right? So you go in here and you said, okay, I want to take some profit here, right, which is somewhere here, and I want to put my stop loss just below this low. So you want to put your stop loss here. So let's use SL, for our stop loss, and let's say TP here for take profit, right? So take profit here, stop loss here. Our entry are at this point. So let's use E for entry, right? Entry. So now you entered here, you want to take profit here, and your stop loss is here, because they always teach in those free ebooks that put your stop loss below the low, the last low. So right, if here we have a low here, and then this is another low, this is low, and this is a higher low, because this low is higher than this low. So this is a higher low, and from this point that we see there's a breakout from chart pattern, which is flag. At this point, if you go in here, put a stop here, what happened? As you are seeing this candle in profit, you're happy, and you feel like, let me go make a coffee or you're chatting with someone, and you have your trade open because you've been taught that when you set your stop loss, take profit, don't touch them, just leave them, and then see what happens. You have to be disciplined. Now you go there talking to someone, or you're having your coffee, and what happened? At this point, the banks sell. At this point, you're already in profit, you're excited, and you don't even know why they are selling, right? The banks sell at this point, and where the price changed, you can see from that point that the price changed and the price was going down. So you can see from here the price went down and even break the last low, which is the higher low to this low, break it down. That means all the people that go in here thinking it's a breakout, which is really what it's been taught in most of those free ebooks, they all bought here. Imagine all the crowd, okay, the 95% are buying here because it's a breakout, it's what they learned, and now the market move against them, and they feel, what the heck is happening? I just went in now and the price changed, and then I'm out. Now imagine in this trade that you put a stop loss RIX for $50, and you lose this $50 because the price moved down from this point to this point, and is already crossing your stop loss. So you're out. You're not just out. So many traders out there, 95% of the traders around the world just lose money. And you know what? When the banks sell from this point, banks sell from this point, maybe from this point to this point, they make 5 million, 10 million, 20 million, $100 million. Why? Because imagine the population of the 95% of traders around the world going in at this point, thinking it's a breakout, wanting to take profit at this point, and one bank or all the banks put together, going against the 95%. So if the whole money of the 95% here is 100 million, now all the banks that sold from this point, they have 100 million to share into their pocket and smile for the day. So if you don't know, or if you want to know more about how to sell from this point, if you don't have any strategy working for you, you can check on the link below this video and you will learn more. So there's always a secret why the banks are selling from this point. And if you know the secret, if you know why and how and the strategy to sell from this point, then you will just sell from this point and make money. So don't just go ahead and say, yeah, there's a breakout, I'm going to sell. If you just sell because there's a breakout, thinking, oh, the banks sell each time there's a breakout, or they buy each time there's a breakout, depending if it's a buy signal or a sell signal, you might just lose money. It's not all about, oh, there's a breakout, I will go the other way. So you need to learn properly. Now, imagine now it's here and it's creating a lower low. This low right now is lower than this low, right? Okay, but not this actually. So it's showing you that we have a new low, and then you feel like, amateur traders feel like, okay, the strength is down. There's a flag. I thought there's a breakout. Now we have a new low. I lost 50 euros or dollars or pounds, depending on which country you are. And now you feel like, okay, I want to go in again, because so many traders out there, when they lose money, they feel so bad and they want to just make that money back. They feel so angry, they're emotional, and they jump into another trade without proper calculation, discipline, without following rules, without knowing why they even jump in, because they feel like, I lost some money, I want to recover that money. So they jump into this trade here and they said, okay, it's good. We have a low here. Let me sell here at this point so that I can take some profit before the low that I just demonstrated here, right? So imagine that you go in here, right? And you want to sell before this low. You want to take profit here. And you said, okay, let me put my stop loss just here. Few pips ahead of, yes, some people trying to call me. Yeah, let me keep that, because I'm teaching right now. I need to be focused. So, yeah, that should be one of my students. So you can see here, when you put your stop here, and then at this point, you entered here, you want to take some profit here. What happened? Right? What happened? At this point, you're surprised, you see that the price changed again. The price is just going against you, right? And now you're like, what happened, man? Again, what happened? It's like somebody's watching me out there. Now the price goes against you. If you see few pips ahead of this, if you see this, you will know that you are knocked out again. You're knocked out again. So you'll be like, wow, I went in again with $50 or pounds or euros, and now I lose again. I just lose twice. 100. No, it's not working. I'm quitting. So people trade like this. They always going in at the wrong time, and it's not their fault, because they're going with the crowd. This is what they have been taught in so-called Forex schools, free eBooks, whatever. Is this a flag? Yes, this is a flag. Chat pattern, right? Breakout, yeah. Buy here, take profit here. And what happened? Price went down, knock you out, lose some money. Okay, we have another one. It looks good. Let me go in here. Just take some profit before this plays. Now what happened? Price changed again. Price went up, knock you out. You lose money. You're like, what? And you know what? When you were shut in the market here, the banks are buying. And they make some money. You know, and like that, it keeps repeating itself. And if you don't know how to do this the right way, how can you make money? So it's the 5% versus the 95%. And the 5% have more information than the 95%. The 95% is just the normal traders. Normal traders. Average traders, beginners, just, struggling to make some money in the market. And what happened? Those few 5%, they are always making money from dumb money. They call it dumb money. They're making money from dumb money. So if you don't want your money to be dumb money, step up, learn something that's going to help you, that's going to take you up there, and you will make some money from the market. So I hope this video helps you out. You learn something from this video. That don't just be deceived by what you're learning from free ebooks, free downloads. They are just like 50-50. Yeah, you might just make some money, lose. So if you want to make profit from your trade, follow those who are making profit, and that way you will step up and your trade will take a new turn. So here you can see, this is profit. If you can see, today is 9th, and you can see this is 9th May 2018. You can see I made some profit here with a low volume, and you can see I keep making profit. Why? Because I learned some secret that's helping me. And if you want to learn and know how to take some profit from the market, I'm not saying that I don't have losses at times. I do have losses, like every other professional trader out there. They have losses, but if you have more wins than your losses, then that's really going to help you. So if you want to make money from the market, like I said, you really have to do something about your trade. You have to make sure that you have the right proper knowledge, and that way you will see yourself making money from the market. Now, if you can see this, this is a $100 account, very small account. I use this account for demonstration purpose to say it is possible. Now it's 138. We have $38 euro here. This is a euro account as profit. Now if you check it, if we say 38, now we say 38 divide by $100 euro account, now multiplied by 100%, now we have 38%, right? So this account is 38% profit, 38% profit within a short period of time. This is just to show you that it is possible to make money from the market. If you want to trade, you can just open a small account like this with €100 to test the market, test the waters, see if you are moving forward or not. Because if you have a small account like this, if you have a small account for €100, real account, if you're trading, you're going to put in some discipline. You will make sure to trade well because you don't want to lose real money. So many people try to trade out there with demo, but they're not doing well. Why? Because they feel it's demo, so they're not really putting in their best. And at the end of the day, they keep changing volume, they keep messing around because they feel it's demo. Whatever happens, it's not real money. So if you want to trade, if you don't have enough, or even if you have enough money, start with a small account, 200, 100, and see how far you can go before you can put in real big money, or you can put in some good amount of money, or at least I don't know, money that you feel is good for you to stack. So you can see 38% profit from just a small account. Small account of 100 euros. So it is possible to make profit from the market. You want to change your trade and take your trade to the next level. If you don't have any strategy that is working for you, click on the link below and try this strategy out. Know the secret of the top 5%. Know the secret of the fund managers, the big corporations, the banks, and your trading will change for good. So I hope to see you in my next video. I hope this video helps you out there. If you like it, click like, share, comment. See you in my next video.